Today I want to talk about your boots. Footwear, probably the most important piece of equipment to keep you safe while you're out there. And as you can see, they get trashed. They get beat up from the road and things like that. What the Doc Bailey's is going to do for them is actually going to clean them, oil them, re-dye, and put a special blend of waxes on there that actually waterproofs the leather as well. As you can see, the leather here is all covered in the dirt. The color's gone. Instantly, the Doc Bailey's brings that back. The detergents open the pores. It actually lifts the dirt out. You can see the pores of the skin opening. Then the lanolin oil flows in, and the black dye recolors it and brings back the actual finish, the luster of the leather, if you will. Then it has a blend of waxes that actually lock that dye in so it doesn't bleed off on you, and totally 100% waterproof your leather as well. You can use it on the rubber as well, go right over top of everything. It just restores that color and brings it right back. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And the best part is it's completely dry with no residue. The black doesn't come off on your hand, and it's completely waterproof instantly. That's what it's about, giving you that protection so when you're out riding, the water beads off like a wax paint job. Because if your feet stay dry, you'll be a lot happier riding.